Question number 1. Heuristics are option A grouping technique, option B problem solving technique, option C chunks, option D none of the above. The answer is option B problem solving technique. Question number 2. Choose the correct one for ECCE. Option A education for creative children with exceptionalities. Option B education of creative children and empowerment. Option C early childhood care for exceptional. Option D early childhood care and education. The answer is option D early childhood care and education. Question number 3. The organization NCSC set up to improve the delivery of education services through inclusive education stands for option A National Council for Special Education, option B National Council for School Education, option C National Council for Social Education, option D National Committee for Science Education. The answer is option A National Council for Special Education. Question number 4. Shruti is an 8th standard student. She has very high achievement scores, high in all subjects except mathematics. She has doing some particular difficulty in doing addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Here we can assume that she is having option A dyslexia, option B dysgraphia, option C dyscalculia, option D dyspraxia. The answer is option C dyscalculia. Question number 5. What is most important for a teacher? Option A to maintain discipline in class. Option B to be a punctual in class. Option C to remove the difficulties of students. Option D to be a good orator. The answer is option C to remove the difficulties of students. Question number 6. Which answer best describes creative thinking? Option A product of convergent thinking. Option B product of divergent thinking. Option C product of reasoning. Option D product of metacognitive thoughts. The answer is option B product of divergent thinking. Question number 7. Expand IEDC. Option A integrated education for disabled children. Option B individualized education for disabled children. Option C integrated education for disadvantaged children. Option D individualized education for disadvantaged children. The answer is option A integrated education for disabled children. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of inclusive education? Option A Allen Bloom. Option B Ovid Ackerley. Option C John Dewey. Option D Lev Vygotsky. The answer is option B Ovid Ackerley. Question number 9. Piaget used the term schemata to refer to the cognitive structure underlying organized pattern of option A behavior, option B experience, option C operations, option D concept. The answer is option D concept. Question number 10. The best remedy of students' problems related to learning is option A suggestion for hard work, option B supervised study in library, option C suggestion for private tuition, option D diagnostic teaching. The answer is option D, diagnostic teaching. Question number 11. The name Williamston is closely associated with option A, emotional quotient, option B, multiple intelligence, option C, intelligence test, option D, intelligence quotient. The answer is option D, intelligence quotient. Question number 12. Select the fourth stage in Gagne's hierarchy of learning. Option A, chaining, option B, multiple discrimination, option C, principal learning, option D, verbal association. The answer is option D, verbal association. Question number 13. According to Thurston, how many primary mental abilities are there? Option A, 5, option B, 6, option C, 7, option D, 8. The answer is option C, 7. Question number 14. Anita is friendly, always willing to help others, and compassionate. While considering Gardner's theory, it can assume that Anita has high option A, interpersonal intelligence, option B, existential intelligence, option C, spatial intelligence, option D, interpersonal intelligence. The answer is option D, interpersonal intelligence. Question number 15. When was KCF formed? Option A, 2005, option B, 2006, option C, 2007, option D, 2008. The answer is option C, 2007. Question number 16. Before the athletic race, John says to his coach, I know I can do well in this race. This is the example for John's option A, self-efficiency, option B, overconfidence, option C, self-boosting, option D, intrinsic motivation. The answer is option A, self-efficiency. Question number 17. Select the term used by Albert Bandura to refer to the overall process of social learning. Option A, conditioning, option B, self-efficiency, option C, reinforcement, option D, modeling. Answer is option D, modeling. Question number 18. Lakshmi complains when her tall, thin glass of juice is poured into a short but wider glass. She tells her father that she now has less juice. Lakshmi has not yet grasped the principle of option A, conservation, option B, animism, option C, egocentrism, option D, constancy. The answer is option A, conservation. Question number 19. The MMPI is used to assess option A, memory, option B, intelligence, option C, personality, option D, creativity. The answer is option C, personality. Question number 20. A teacher holding every learner with responsibilities to high standard of performance is option A, teacher accountability, option B, teacher competency, option C, teacher capability, option D, teacher ethics. The answer is option A, teacher accountability.